Hello, hello. One, two, three. Welcome to the stream. Early in the morning. पंछियों की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है तुम सबको, लेकिन इतना जल्दी है कि पंछी चॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. चॉप 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 चॉप. Let me do all the usual stuff और GitHub में लॉगिन कर लेता हूँ. और चेक ऑल्सो कि वॉइस ठीक से आ रही है या नहीं. Perfect. Perfecto. Let's start then. Dust. Dustin and dust. You can see. यहाँ पे भी है क्या? Did I say कि मैं डस्टिन हूँ? ऐसा कह दिया क्या मैंने? Music, some music, some music, some music. तो ये चीज़ लोड होने में बहुत टाइम लेती है. So where were we? Let me run this first of all so that we can get the idea where were we. Wait, what the fuck? Level 1. It printed level and 9 plus 4 is equal to, let's say, 13. Okay, So here we were कि सेम नंबर के 10 क्वेश्चन आ रहा है इंस्टेड ऑफ कि रैंडम नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन के 10 नंबर आए. ओके. Where is my random module working? No, wait, here return number. ये क्या है वे? कुछ भी. Level, if level, return level. Here it is working now. Random is equal to random dot rand int 129. Number is equal to input, that's this. Number is equal to x plus y, we have done. Oh, my book is coming. ये साइंस फिक्शन मंगाई थी मैंने. प्रोजेक्ट हेल मैरी. By who? By whom I forgot. Author is, actually this book is pretty famous. It's about to get adapted into movie. Andy Weir, I suppose. It has gotten 1,73,000 reviews on Amazon. Wow. And it's number one, bestseller in space operas. What others are? Okay, it beats Dune. Dune is a number two. Foundation series of Isaac S. Asimov on number three. Then again on number four is Dune Messiah. Then there is again Dune. मेरे को लगता है कि ड्यून आती ही चली जाएगी क्या मूवी, क्योंकि द ग्रेट ड्यून ट्रिलॉजी. ओके, ड्यून इज ट्रिलॉजी. इसकी 2 मूवी आई है ना, आई थिंक. Then we have Isaac Asimov again. And okay, Andy, this guy is very famous in this genre. He has written Martian. Okay. A Rendezvous with Ram. Did he really meet Ram or what? I think these are it in science fiction. But wait, if I want to generate 10 random numbers, here I am generating a number returning a number. What happens if I here create a list how do you add a number in list append right numbers dot append dot append num this is how you do it right just checking numbers dot append number let's write it above the numbers now I should get a list and I did get a list we are somewhere now just we have to do one thing which is to generate all 10 different numbers how can I do that okay I think we are also clear on levels like level 1 2 3 if we enter level 2 we'll get numbers from 10 to 99 see x is equal to random dot rand int okay and here we have written that somewhere we have written that number is equal to here yeah number is equal to input x plus y how about if I uh, keep this over here and instead of generating x and y I generate numbers okay I cannot right let us think for a second we are generating x and y over here and then using it in an variable called number x plus y is equal to we're generating number 10 times but we're not generating 10 new numbers instead we're repeating the thing number why we're not generating because x and y are pre-decided will anything happen if I put x and y below here or okay wait I can also put them in a loop, right? Then what will happen is if I put them into loop, maybe that I can do. If I now put them in a loop, let's first check, then we'll see what's the issue that's coming. Okay, fuck. Level 2 and list is empty apparently. Maybe because we didn't return. No, what happened? Okay, return and exits. So can I do this? This is not valid or what? Let's just check. मेरे को बहुत ये होता है कि चेक क्यों कर रहा है, पहले लॉजिक ठीक कर ले, चेक मत कर. Okay, did we exited that loop? ये एग्जिट कर दिया क्या हमने लूप वहाँ पे रिटर्न करके? I think we did. So if I return x and y there, I won't get to a point where I am returning a number. It's fucking complicated. Let's just check. 3 and 4. So we returned number 3 as x and 4 as y. And here in our list, okay, but print number is there. What happened this time? Level 1, 8 plus 2, 10 and 10 exit. But it didn't happen 10 times. अबे नहीं, सेम नंबर क्यों जनरेट कर रहा है साले तू? Why is it the fucker? ये मेथड है हिट एंड मतलब ट्राई मतलब ट्राई एंड हिट वाला, it's not working. I think we should get there by logic. By dissecting things, we should reach the answer, not just by trying 10 different things. Yeah, that should be the approach. Okay, so let's try to understand now. अबे ये 2 बार क्यों डाल दिया मैंने इसको? It's not associated with a value. अच्छा, इसको भी मैंने एक ही में डाल दिया ना. So loop is not looping. Loop is not looping. 1 plus 6, 6. Return numbers. इस बार उसने वैल्यू ली नहीं क्योंकि हमने उसको दी नहीं. Generate integer, we are creating a list. Count is equal to 0. Now you cannot access count. ये क्या मजाक है बे? काउंट को क्यों एक्सेस नहीं कर पा रहे तुम? वैसे उसको बाहर रखने की ज़रूरत तो थी नहीं है. वाइल लूप के तो बाहर ही था वो बेचारा काउंट. ठीक है. While count is less than 10 and count will be plus equal to 1 every time we complete a loop. X is equal to this, y is equal to this. If level is equal to 1, x is equal to this. If level is equal to 2, x will be this, y will be this. level is equal to this, x will be this, y will be this. Now number, इसमें इनपुट क्यों लगाया मैंने? ओके इनपुट करना है ना, अच्छा. Return numbers. Someone in the chat. Welcome to the stream, brother. Hello, AK bhai. How are you? Let's see, prompt the user for a level n. If the user does not input, the program should prompt again. We're clear on that. Then randomly generates 10 math problems formatted as x plus y. Good? I'm also good. On condition if I'm able to solve this problem at the end of the stream. Please do subscribe if you're new to the channel, because I haven't seen you here, so you must be new. And in each of x and y is a non-negative integer with n digits. No need to support operation other than addition. The order in which you generate x and y matters. A program should generate randomly numbers in x and y pairs to simulate generating one math question at a time. One math question at a time. Get level prompts, and if need be reprompt the user for level. It is 1 2 3 and generate integer returns a single randomly generated non-negative integer with level digits, or raises a value error if level is not 1 2 or 3. बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग है यार ये म्यूज़िक तो. Hello, wizard. Welcome to the stream. कैसे हो आप? Now, the thing is कि here on get level, I reprompt the user if it's not 1, 2 or 3. Then why do I need to raise an value error on generate integer? Because I have already caught it, right? That it must be level 1, 2 or 3. Define main. Is it that I main function? Okay, no. I was thinking कि main function does is the job of generate integer, but no, there's no need for it. The only issue I'm facing right now is that I'm unable to generate 10 different numbers. Ah, like this. I'm generating the same number 10 times. Are you in college? Yes, I'm in college. Third year political science. Not your BTech, okay? You two are in college? Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I mean, you can subscribe if you want to. Your third BE comp. What is BE? Bachelor of Education. Bachelor of Engineering. That's also a thing or what? What is the issue in your program? Issue is my friend. Let me pull it up. Okay, one. Here we go. For now, I want this number. I want this thing to run 10 times and generate 10 different numbers which user can answer. But let's say I do this. I also want to store it in the list. So, okay, wait. No, somewhere in the middle I was there ki I was able to generate 10 numbers, but they were same, like 4 plus 6 10 times instead of like 10 different math problems. This is project called Little Professor. This is product from 1970s where it generates 10 different math problems, and at the end it gives you a score, and it also has some other functionality, but do not upset, you should try Sort Live. Now I know Sort Live, but I want to keep it like this only. शॉर्ट लाइव में क्वालिटी में स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी में फ़र्क आता है. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट व्यूअर काउंट ऑनेस्टली, क्योंकि एनी वे आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न टू कोड, बट द थिंग इज़ कि इट हेल्प्स मी टू focus better if I'm on stream. So I'm in a way doing my work and also streaming. Generate integer level, I'm giving it a level. If it is 1, then it will generate numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, is my loop working fine? While count is less than 10. Number input. Okay, all the best. Okay, Bachelor of Engineering is a thing, kya? I mean, there is Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Technology, Bachelor of Engineering is there as well. Cause I'm returning the number, correct? So let's put it over here. Now at least I should be able to generate 10 numbers, yeah, correct. Okay, I get 12, but now if I do this, I should get a list, correct. Fine, now only problem is to by calendar निकल बे. Should I try this? ना ना got empty list. Why did that happen? I'm looping over, also looping over this random dot random. Okay, then wait. Here we go. It was an indentation issue. We reach somewhere at least now. It was an indentation issue. Fuck a indentation. Okay. So here we get the list of users' answer of random 10 math problems. Now instead of this, what we want, let's see what we want. Randomly generates 10 math problems formatted as x plus y is equal to. Fine. We have this now, wherein each of x and y is a non-negative integer with n digits. Correct. N is our level. N is our level. We're sorted on that as well, so no need to support operations other than addition. Fine. Prompt the user to solve each of those problems. If an answer is not correct or not even a number, the program should output triple E. Prompt the user again. Now if I write cat in there somewhere, let's say over here, instead of 7 plus 2 I write cat, program should re-prompt me. Should prompt me again. How do I do that? Over here, if I do something like, if number is equal to integer or something like that, if number is integer, then if number is not integer, then if number is integer, then continue with the loop. If not, you will re-prompt me. Sorry, could you type what you want? Can you elaborate what do you mean by ગુજરાતી છો તો યાર તમે પ્રોબ્લેમ સરળ ભાષામાં સમજાવી શકશો. बेसिकली सी प्रोग्रामर्स की ये वीडियो दिखा देता हूँ. But here we have only plus mode, addition mode, just to make it easy for ourselves. Very kind of them. Now see, level 1 means that you'll have digits like from 1 to 9. You will not get 12 plus 15. That will be level 2, where you have two digits as a individual number in n problem. Fine. And you'll have to answer 4 again, 5. So you'll get such 10 problems. Yeah. So if that happens, if you type wrong answer, you'll get triple E, which means error basically. And I'll give you 3 chances to correct it. What are you working on? This problem from CS50's Python introduction like program. मतलब एक कोर्स टाइप का है तो इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम सेट है. So basically we want all of this functionality in our program that we are writing. At the end you will get score at the end of 10 problems. Here let's say, yeah, even if you say write a word, you'll get triple E, and at the end of 10 problems you'll get the score. Pretty easy, yeah. Each answer, if your answer is wrong, it should print triple E on your display, right? Yes, correct. So we are there. Key, we are asking user for a level 1. We don't want to print it, but I just printed it because I just wanted to check if it's working or not. But let's remove printing level. So we are getting level here, and I am a beginner. Yes, correct. I'm just learning Python, brother. It's because also key I'm from humanities. I'm not from tech background. You can subscribe. We are at 52 subscribers. You can subscribe. Put condition and ask again to enter answer. Yeah. Okay, got it. Basically, if you mean by condition that if answer is wrong or something irrelevant, then we'll say to answer again, which means we'll reprompt So here I want to add a condition, correct? Yeah. So I'm getting this list, correct? Now we'll think how to evaluate this into a score. Maybe we'll hover over list and check what all are correct answers. But for now, we're generating 10 numbers, fine. Now, if a number is not, like, user's answer is not correct, how will I reprompt him? If number is equal to import, okay, now मेरे को ये पता नहीं चला अब तक कि इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है वैल्यू एरर रेस करने की. Non-negative integer with level digits or raises a value error if level is not 1, 2 or 3. Now we'll have, if number is not an integer, then we'll reprompt. Okay, also handle cases of integer and string. What does it mean if the user enters string? Should be printed and let them give another try. Yeah, that's one case when user writes. Oh, you're currently working as data scientist. Very good. Add this idea of about like startup idea about data collection and data related to data science. I'll tell you someday. अगर कुछ रैंडम लेवल सेट करेगा यूज़र तो एरर केस को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. नो दैट आई अंडरस्टूड बट सी हियर we have, see, in get level function, while true try level, and if level is equal to 1, 2 and 3. हाँ ગમે કર ચાલશે. हाँ हाँ. So if level is equal to 1, 2 or 3, then and then only we return level. Otherwise, we ask him again for a level. Then why do we have to raise value error in over here in generate integer? Because we'll not go that further if we have entered some, if user has entered some random level. So that's what I'm asking. Could you show me the output from the problem set statement? Like this current version output. So this is the output. But I don't want this. But we're writing it. Okay. For now we're printing number, like list of numbers. See, if first of all we'll handle integer ka thing, let's do that. If number, we have that kya is alpha is numeric, right? Is numeric is if all characters in the string are numeric. No, this will not work. Maybe it can work. A number is apparently a string, so it will work as numeric. I can ask for as numeric. It doesn't accept decimal, doesn't accept negative, Unicode numerals. Raise value error for negative numbers. Something like -2. But for -2, let's say, even if I write -2, see it reprompts me. If I write cat, it reprompts me. Reprompts me. I think without raising value error, I'm able to do that correctly. If only if I write 1, 2, or 3, then only then only it will go further. But number is numeric. I don't know how to use this thing. If is numeric, कैसे इसको मैं यूज़ करूँ सॉल्व को. if number is numeric, then what? Else print triple E. Will this work? Okay, this worked, but I have to check for different things. What else could be there? That if I write 12, then program continues, but it should ideally output triple E. And if we check 3 numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, correct, generating 10 problems. Now again, other use case will be that if user inputs wrong answer to the question, how do I check? There should be a comparing mm, metric, like correct answer and the and the answer out inputted by user. Now we are generating this number, correct? And if I say if I create a variable called answer, which calculates x plus y, we compare it to number. Like if number is equal to answer, then numbers dot append, otherwise else print triple E. How do I what do I do in the answer? Answer is equal to now let's check what happens if I write 10 and we got triple A. Yes. Let's go. Operator value for checksum evaluation. Yeah, we just did that. Okay. If I write 4 triple A, but again it should reprompt me. Not use too much if and else. What else should I use? At this point of time, my aim is not to be correct in the approach or write a code that is Pythonic. I just want to get it right. Just merge conditions with using and or not operator. Okay, yeah. That could be done. But wait, it's different, right? Because here, no, it's the same. Yeah, I have to reprompt the user anyway. So it's the same thing. Okay, yeah. So I can do this. And means both should be true for a condition to be correct. Like your suggestion, Parthiv. Thank you. Yeah, both correct and true. Now I have to reprompt him and not just print triple E. How do I do that? Print triple E and continue. Should I continue? Right, continue over here. Then it will print. Run code and check. Here, if I say write 9 triple E and not 3 plus 3, I should be reprompted for 2 plus 6. I must say this is the toughest problem I've encountered so far in this 4 problem set that I've done. I did say triple like this, also triple E. It should be correct. What the fuck? I got it. Here we are printing triple E. Ask again for input. make another condition inside of answer not equal to number, again take input. That's what I hear it is, right? But Parthiv, you will only solve the problem and मैं क्या करूँगा? मेरे को खुद से सॉल्व करना है. Inside if Yusuf, here Yusuf, okay. I don't know how to do that. But why am I getting triple E every time, even if it is incorrect thing? Continue. Let's. Now 11, it should. Okay, again it is printing triple E. There's something wrong here. What the fuck? Oh my god. Damn. But क्या नाम है? पार्थिव पटेल. वाह. Must be aware about cricketer पार्थिव पटेल, right? उसकी अकेडमी भी है गुजरात में, अहमदाबाद में सच. What you want is if 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, then it should print triple E and again print 2 plus 3, and for its evaluation it take input. Yeah, that's what I want. But right now I'm getting, even if I write correct answer, then also I'm getting triple E. Why is that? Like say 12 and it will be triple E. No, why? If number is numeric and number is equal to answer, then number start append number. It's all about loop and condition, and try to do it. If this condition is true, then my number should get appended, else print triple A. Number is equal to answer. This is my number. whatever user writes in, then answer is x plus y. If a number is equal to answer numbers, still don't get why that's coming. Return numbers. Print eligible if true only when both comparisons are true. Any one condition must be true, not reverse the condition. Does not equal to, use this operator instead of equal to. And again take input number is equal to input x plus y, and then in the append list. Here you're seeing if it doesn't equal to answer, then it should be equal to, right? And again, if I do this does not equal to answer, then it means that if number user has inputted is 10 and answer is 9, then also it'll get appended. Yeah, I don't get it. Why is it printing triple E even if the answer is correct? Like number is numeric, eh, that thing is correct, and number is equal to answer, that thing is also correct. Then why is it printing triple E? Answer is equal to x plus y. Now let's try to check but I want to see what is answer over here. Let's see. uh, Not return. Can you run and show me? I'll help you. Which thing? See, here 5 plus 6 is 11, right? Now I input 11. It should satisfy condition is numeric. This thing is numeric. And number is equal to answer. Answer should be x plus y, which is 5 plus 6 is 11. Now even if I do this, it will print triple E. Why does it print triple E? It shouldn't print triple E. Now 5 again triple E. Now if I write incorrect answer, then also it prints triple E. Okay. Let me ask GPT, what is the case? Even if I answer correct, print triple. If condition is wrong and operator is wrong, always returns a string. Answer is an integer. Oh wait, yes. Answer of x plus y is integer. Got it. Now I get it. So what should I do? Should I convert that thing into integer? Input और इसको integer बना दूँ क्या मैं? Let's try it. List. Eight plus 7, 15. And int object has no attribute is numeric. Okay. Now if I made it integer, now I cannot use it since it is an integer and not a string. Can you convert integer into a string? Typecasting is there, but whom to typecast? If I typecast a number and make it integer, then I cannot use is numeric. But that will be numeric, right? Anyway, that will be an integer if okay, but if user writes something like cat, I'll get an error. I'll get error then. Mm. How about I say try accept value error, right? Value error. Continue. And now since this is integer, number should equal to answer and then append it. Otherwise this 8 and okay, we move on. Okay, Parthiv, we solved it. See, now 9, no issue. If I say write 10 here and there is triple E, got it. Okay, 8, 9, 9. These are 3, 6 and 9 numbers only. So that thing didn't got included. ये include नहीं हुआ उसमें. Again, just don't have to append print triple E and what if I say continue? Again, print syntax of the number variable where you are taking input. ये तो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया, but let's try doing continue and put this above print. Now what will continue do is it'll reprompt me, right? Let's see what happens. 15 correct. Now if I say I write 5 triple E and reprompt me, okay, I think this doesn't work. So what I need to do is instead of continue, I need to write what you're also saying, a number, this thing. Continue means that you go back to the first thing in the loop, correct? हमने वो समझा था कि पास में और कंटिन्यू में डिफरेंस होता है. पास में इन पास यू आर डूइंग नथिंग, बट कैन यू राइट पास इन लूप? तो कैन यू राइट पास इन लूप? Why is it taking so long? Just you can write pass inside a loop. Okay, if I write this again, will it generate the same number or a different one? And after this, where will my answer go? 4 plus 4, 8, correct. 9 and triple E and 8 plus 2 generated again for me. Let's say to 10 and okay. Eight, not 88, but 8, 7, 8, 8, 7, 17, and issue is coming with the list. Is it helpful? Yes. I got this one from you. मैं ढूंढता रह जाता. Now it's working. This thing is working, but only issue is that, see, we did error 2 times, and the number that got appended in list 6 and 8. So it didn't append those in list. Now since we have done all these things, only thing left is to check for score at the end of all we get all of 10 numbers. To check for score. That's the only thing left. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this list. Okay, we can write a variable called score, and for every number is equal to answer, we're gonna add 1 to it. Initially score will be 0. That's what we can do. Also I have to check if we get error here. We got error 9 plus 4 11 error. So this is one time error. It will reflect in the score 2 times error, 3 times error, 4 times error. So score wise score is 8. Why is not 6? See you stream. I'll eat my lunch. We should be able to solve this problem in the next stream. We're very close. We just have to count score. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Parthiv. See you. And please do subscribe. Ta-ta, bye-bye.